Okay, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to insert an image into a WordPress blog post. Before I start that though, the audio on this recording is not very good because I'm using the external mic on my laptop and I've got a sound card issue of some kind, so sorry about the audio, but it'll be good enough to make the point here. So, got a new WordPress blog post template pulled up here, so let's put a title in here. Okay, and I'm going to copy and insert some text from a blog post I recently did. So I'm just going to paste that in here. Okay, so let's say this is the text of our blog post. Excuse me. And we want to insert an image. So, okay, let's preview it first and I'll demonstrate this. Okay, so this is what it would look like on the blog. Now let's say I want to put the image right here on the left, kind of like a featured image sort of a thing, except it's not really a featured image because the featured image actually puts the image up here next to the blog post title. Okay, let me demonstrate what the difference in those two things is. Okay, for instance, okay, if you go down here to the featured image, you can set that, and let's say I'll just choose this image, or of course you can upload a file from your computer, but let's say I've already uploaded an image and I'm going to set that featured image. Okay, then when I go to preview the post, it's going to look like this, which is probably not what everybody wants. Most people don't have a picture next to their blog post title, and that's not something I want to do, although it's not bad at all. It's just not how I want to format my posts. So let's get rid of that featured image. Okay, instead I want to put an image actually within the post itself. Now, going back here, you can put, let me refresh this. Oh, you know what, it's probably still there. Nope, okay. So you can put the image up here at the beginning of the post, or you can put it in the middle, or wherever. I will demonstrate it by putting it at the top and then maybe show you something else as well. So I'm just going to put my cursor at the beginning of the post right there, and I'm going to click Add Media. And I've already got some files uploaded here, so let's say if I want to use that. Now, here's some options. Okay, you can put a title on it. The title will not actually show up on the blog post itself. You can put a caption there if you want to, and some other options here. You can choose how you want to align it, choose where you want to link it, and also you can choose the size of the picture. What I do in my post is I usually just use it as a thumbnail because I don't want a real big image, but you can use it as a big image as well, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute. Okay, so I hit Insert into Post, and there it is. There's the caption right there. Let's preview it and see what it looks like. Sorry, my computer's a little bit slow. Okay, so here you have the title, and here you have the image, and of course the text and everything. Now let me show you something else that you could do. Okay, so this is going back to the back end of WordPress here. Okay, you can click on that image, and click on this thing that says Edit Image, and then you can actually reduce the size of the image further if you want to. But you can also choose how you want to align it. You can change the caption, whatever you want to do. So let's click Update, and we'll preview it. And it's on the right there. So now let's say you want to insert a full-size picture in there. Okay, a lot of blogs, they'll have a couple sentences that are like a teaser for the blog post, and then they'll have a big image, then they'll have the rest of the article, which is a cool thing to do as well. I just don't happen to do that most of the time. So I'm going to get rid of this image right here. Whoops, sorry. Okay, I'm going to ditch that image. Let's say if I wanted this part as the teaser and I wanted to put the image right here. So what I would do is I would click Add Media. We'll see how this works here. And let's say I want to use this image again, but I want to do it full size. I'm just going to, oops, I'm going to do it full size, and it's going to insert it here into the post. Hopefully. Okay, let's, oh, there we go. Okay. Let's preview it. And that's how it looks. So, that's cool too. If you want to do your images like that, I think that's very nice, if you want to do it that way. And that's pretty much it. I do not use the featured image down here because it does put the image next to the post title, which I don't want. Now one cool thing is whenever I use this Next Scripts plugin here, Social Networks Auto Poster, so that whenever I post a whenever I publish a new blog post, it goes to Facebook and Twitter automatically, and I have my options set up here for how I want to do that. And when I go to Facebook, or I'm sorry, when it posts to Facebook, it automatically uses whatever image it finds first in the blog post itself, okay, and it takes that image from the RSS feed. It makes, you have the image of, you have the option of having that set as the image that people see on Facebook. For instance, let me show you what I mean. Okay, if I go to my Facebook page, oh, Washington County, interesting. It's my home county here in Missouri. Okay, if I go to my page, let me scroll down to, okay, to a blog post. Okay, for instance, here's a couple that I did here, where all I did was I added a little bit on the auto poster there just to personalize it a little bit. And then this was the first image actually on that blog post. So if I go to, let me go to my actual blog here. Okay. Let me go to this. Okay. So for instance, this this post with Jeff Goins that I did, okay, his is the picture of Jeff is the first thing, is the first image in that actual blog post. And you'll notice on my Facebook page, this is the image that you can, this is the image that comes up. So I don't use the featured image option here. I just stick the image right within the post itself, and it seems to work pretty well. So hopefully this video is helpful. Thanks.